Leonardo da Vinci, Christopher Columbus, and Luca Pacioli. Wait, you haven't heard of Pacioli? In fact, he's one of the most influential men of the Renaissance, and yet few have heard of him. His work influenced many in his day and still does today, for he is often referred to as the father of accounting. Hi, I'm Dave Aldridge. Welcome to this series on financial accounting. The fact is that some sort of record keeping has been around ever since the first hunter wanted to trade with the first gatherer. But Pacioli took many of the different ideas about mathematics and record keeping and published a book which included 27 pages called Details of Calculations and Recording. This section has become the basis for modern-day double-entry accounting. In fact, many of the terms you will hear in accounting, like debit, credit, journal, and ledger, all originate from his 1494 text. So when you think of Italy as the birthplace of science, art, and culture, add accounting to that list. So grazie Italia and arrivederci. I'm off to Scotland. Welcome to London. I intended to shoot this segment in Scotland, but it turns out there's nothing to see in Scotland other than sheep. And they weren't the friendliest of sheep. I know what you're thinking. Terrifying. In the mid-1800s, England was the economic capital of the world, and in the midst of the Industrial Revolution. With industry moving from agriculture to manufacturing, a need arose for business owners to have a good understanding of the financial health of their businesses. During that time, accountants from Scotland petitioned the Queen to grant them a charter, providing them legal rights in the profession of accounting. In fact, the term chartered accountants comes from this event. So with the Industrial Revolution in high gear and a charter in place granting credibility and rights, modern accountancy was born. Today, the largest body of accountants in the United States is the AICPA, which represents the CPA profession nationally. The AICPA's founding established accountancy as a profession distinguished by rigorous educational requirements, high professional standards, a strict code of professional ethics, a licensing status, and a commitment to serving the public interest. In a recent survey done by the Department of Labor, it is estimated that more than 1 million people work as accountants in the United States, with many more working in accounting, clerical, and support positions.